Hi there, my name is Donna Kozik from Done For You Publishing, and I am here with Linda Lilyquist. Linda, are you ready to publish your book?
I am ready to publish this book.
All right, so move that thing around so that red line thing isn't there. There we go. All right, three, two, one, publish your paperback book.
Woohoo! Saving,
We're,
saving.
we are on a Friday afternoon. We'll see how fast Amazon's hamsters are working. Seems pretty fast. They've successful, and here it comes. There we go. No more off-ramps and 29 other life lessons to steer you in the right direction. Congratulations, Linda Lou Lilyquist.
Thank you. So exciting.
It is. Tell us a little bit of what this book's about.
Well, this book is a compilation of many of my sayings and different life lessons I use in teaching and also counseling for over 40 years. And it's so fun because the people I actually have run these ideas past and told them I was actually writing a book about it, they started shouting the little sayings out. So, I said, okay, that's confirmation I'm on the right road and
Right.
for this book. And so, anyways, I just wanted to kind of journal or, document some of my life's work and thoughts and ideas. So they're here now for the public, not just in my counseling session or in my audience when I'm teaching. So I'm
Yeah,
excited. I'm excited.
it is exciting. And if you could tell us a little bit of what it was like working with the Done For You publishing team.
Um, Actually, I would have to say that it was fantastic because I'll just say that, for years I got your emails, Donna, and I never did a thing about them. But then I had a shift in my life and I said, okay, now's the time I'm going to do this. So 3 years ago, I thought, okay, I'm going to write a book. But I started with a different book. And then I would say that those essays that we do for the community book project, I would say that those inspired me to do these shorter um, essays and capture thoughts one after the other and just have a book compiled of those. And then when you turn it over to your Done For You publishing team, I would say the responses, the the emails back to me if I had a question. There's always a nice note from Elijah saying, hey, I'm here to serve you. I can't wait to see your book. I'm going to put it on my shelf. I said, now, Elijah, that's a little too much. He must have piles of books if he says that to everybody.
I'm sure he is totally being real when he says
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
So it
yeah.
is cool to
So
see
fun.
it. Yeah.
So, and then your help just now loading it up, that's just almost uncalled for, but a delight, I'm sure, just to have all that help. It's kind of a noodling adventure through Amazon. You could do it by yourself, I'm sure, but it would take me probably another 2 or 3 months to figure all that out. So, anyways, great to have all your help and encouragement and the writing parties and the editing and all that. Fantastic.
All right. Thank you, Linda. And again, congratulations to
Thank
you.
you.
Linda Lilyquist, No More Off Ramps and 29 Other Life Lessons to Steer You in the Right Direction. I can vouch for this book. It is a great read. I encourage you to go pick it up. And for Linda and myself, again, my name is Donna Kozik. You can pick up a free publishing checklist at doneforYoupublishing.com. And then Linda and I will see you on Amazon, and we will see you in the bookstore.
Yes, thank you.